Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to turn on notifications on the Wickr Me application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should wait till it's loaded in, and then click on the settings button down below, which is the last option. Click on notifications, and here you can see a bunch of options that you can turn on, such as enabling notifications, which will be shown for new messages, only show 1.1 notifications, or vibrate for new message. So when using the app, vibrate for new messages. Then here is the anonymous notification, which means that it won't be, it doesn't show the sender or room convo names. And also the show message preview function is the last one that you can turn on, meaning that it will be shown in the notification, the preview message content. So you can turn on all of these functions here at this section. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.